come to section 78. Let's look at the changes for 2015. The 2012 code required 125 volt, 15 amp and 20 amp receptacles installed on fixed or floating piers, docks and wharves to be Class A GFCI protected, except for locking type receptacles of the same ratings. The 2015 code now requires all receptacles rated 125 volt, 15 amp and 20 amp to be Class A GFCI protected. This requirement applies to pleasure boat marinas and to commercial or industrial wharves and fishing harbors. Thanks for watching.